This is a review of the GolbinBox iPhone 17 Pro Max case that we are going to be doing a unboxing and review on. And in this unboxing review, we're going to show you guys what you get inside this package. And from there, we are also going to test this product out. So without going further, let's unbox this and show you guys what you get inside this package. Okay, so this is everything you get inside this package, and here is the iPhone 17 Pro Max itself here too. You can see how beautiful this case is. This is in a black finish, and what I love about this case is that it feels very nice and sturdy, and also it feels very durable. Now, I do want to say that this is, it comes with a military grade protection. What this means and what this does is that it protects your iPhone from falling down from a certain height, and it feels very strong when I'm holding it as well too. Another thing I love about it is that the buttons are also firm. Not just the buttons, another thing about the buttons itself is that it comes with a replacement set, which is a huge plus from this company for sending out a replacement set. So for example, if these buttons ever with age and time, if they break, you got the replacement set, which is really cool and a huge plus for them for sending these out as well too. Now I'm going to test this on my iPhone 17 Pro Max to see how well it fits, and then from there I'm going to explain more in detail about this case. Okay, so here's the iPhone 17 Pro Max case, and you can see how beautiful it is when I have it installed on my iPhone 17 Pro Max case. And I do want to say also that this, the GolbinBox, they make it also for your iPhone 17 Pro as well too. This is iPhone 17 Pro Max with the 6.9-inch display. And this right here, what I love about this case is that it feels very nice and firm when I'm holding it. But the most important thing is that it feels very durable, which means with the military grade protection, if by any chance if it falls down, it will protect your iPhone from getting damaged. That's one important thing I love about this. It feels very durable, and it feels very, another thing I also love about it, it has like a grip that is very important to have for your iPhone 17 Pro Max case, especially because of the fact that you do not want your iPhone to fall down. It has that grip and that durable feel that, it's not going to fall down. It feels very nice and firm when I'm holding it. Like I told you guys, it feels very grippy. Another thing I love about this is that you could also, if let's say, for example, you're watching a movie, for example. So you could also take this like that and then put it on just like this that you could going to see right over here. So I'm going to flip it like that, and you could watch a movie with it. You could put it horizontal, or like you can see right over here, or you could put it vertical, which is really cool. You could use this as a stand for vertical and horizontal. But other than that, I would definitely recommend this. You can put your credit cards inside, store a lot of belongings inside. It feels very firm when you close it. You hear that click right there, and this feels very firm. Nothing's going to fall out of your the case itself. And I would definitely recommend this case if you're looking for a case to store your credit cards. You're looking for a case that is very durable. It has that grip, and it just looks nice, and overall does all that stuff. That I would definitely recommend this case from GolbinBox because of the fact that it feels very nice and firm. It has that grip, and overall I would definitely recommend this case cover for your iPhone 17 Pro Max.